What fidgets are actually worth it? Also, use the sound. Yes, 100%. Honestly, no. Nope, not worth it. Yes, 1,000,000% yes. Buy one right now. No, well, at least not this one. Yes, my absolute favorite. Yes. Yes, I absolutely love this. It's so satisfying. No, not worth it. You know, it's really your preference, but I like these. I don't use this a lot, but yes. Yes, I love these. To be honest, very overpriced, but yes, I love these. Don't come at me, but no. Yes. Duh, yes. No. Don't buy them. Last but not least, of course. Oops.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Won't happen, so thanks, but no, I think I'm good to go, cause I quite enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. Now I admire you, and that'll show you do. You're onto something, really it's something.